there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Snapchat Spotlight from profile. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application. So once you're there, just head over to the Bitmoji on the top left. And here you'll find your Spotlight. So if you have posted any Spotlight, you can just remove it from here. So as I don't have any one of them, so I'm going to show you the steps you can follow to remove that. So you have to first launch your Snapchat app and then tap on your profile icon, which will be at the top left of the screen. It might be a spotlight icon depending on if you have a current spotlight, and scroll down your profile page until you find the spotlight and snap map. And tap on the snap you want to remove from your spotlight, and once the snap is selected, tap the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. Select the delete snap option and confirm your choice by tapping delete again. And yeah, this is the easiest way you can remove your Snapchat's spotlight from profile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any question regarding this, just make sure to comment down below and we'll reach you out.